Welcome to our clothing store. What would you like to buy?
Wow!
Please make me a warm coat. It's so cold. Pick a warm down coat. The buttons need to be stitched on still. Which pockets look nice? Choose a set to put in. The down coat is ready. Come and visit again next time. Welcome.
Do you have any wool hats?
Which hat do you like? The hat is almost ready, and you just need to decorate it. The hat is ready. It looks great. Come and visit again next time. Welcome to our clothing store. What would you like to buy?
Hi!
I want to buy a pair of shoes.
Pick a pair of shoes. Decorate the shoes. The shoes look so great. Do you like them? Thank you for your visit. Safe home.
Pick a boat for your adventure. We may decorate it. Hi! Kiki, please deliver these letters to Santa. No problem. Have a safe trip. We are almost there. Come on. The storm is coming. Watch out. Oh no! Help us with the boat! I must deliver before dark.
Could you help me?
I must deliver before dark. What's wrong, Stompers?
I'm lost. Could you give me a lift?
No problem. Come on board. We are almost there. Come on. Look out for the pirates.
Arr, prepare to be boarded.
Tap on the fruit to avoid being hit.
Darn it! Lucky you!
We have escaped. Here is the reward. Let's roll.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Please accept this. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Nothing can stop us. Let's roll.
Your boat chased away all the fish.
How about I help you catch some fish?
Thank you.
This is for you. Here are your fish.
Wow, I love the fish you caught. Please accept this. Bye. Have a safe trip.
us. Nothing can stop us. Rudolph, what's wrong? Do you need help? I dropped my stuff. Could you fish them out for me? You can count on me. Get your stuff. Thank you for recovering my belongings. Please accept this.
Kiki, could you help me with something?
What's wrong, Hippo?
My boat broke down. Could you send this banana to Alan?
You can count on me.
Sail safe.
Let's roll. Nothing can stop us. Hi, Alan. This banana is from Hippo. Thank you for delivering the banana. Here is your reward. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Hi, Kiki.
Hi, Santa. These letters are for you.
Thank you for delivering all the letters.
You're welcome.
Please accept this. I'm going to deliver all the toys.
Care for animals. Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I'm the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position and locate the injured animal. A frozen crocodile is found. This is a sick peacock. A rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. The peacock is unhappy because it has a skin disease. Oh my, there are so many bugs on the peacock. The ointment will help the wounds heal. Yeah! The peacock's skin disease is cured! It wants beautiful tail feathers! Peacocks like to eat leaves and insects. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Peacocks live in jungles. Goodbye, peacock. The neck of the rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Let's help it. Keep going. The rhinoceros is almost free. Look, the neck of the rhinoceros is injured. Its horn is also broken. Turn the handle to make a new horn for the rhinoceros. Smooth out the broken edges of the horn. Awesome! The rhinoceros has a new horn. Rhinoceroses like to eat all kinds of leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Rhinoceroses live in open grasslands. Goodbye, rhinoceros. The lake is frozen, and the crocodile is also frozen. The crocodile is saved, but it's still shivering with cold. Wow, those are crocodile eggs. The crocodile eggs will hatch more quickly in a warm nest. The baby crocodiles are hatched! great! The mommy crocodile and her babies are very happy. Crocodiles like to eat fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Crocodiles normally live in a river or a lake. Goodbye, crocodile. I'm Momo. The bedroom is a mess. Let's clean it up together. The table lamp is so dirty. Let's wipe the stains clean first. Spray the lamp with a new pretty color. The lampshade is broken. Let's replace it with a new one. Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. The bed is a mess. Let's tidy it up. The quilt is so big, it needs to be compressed before being put in the closet. Let's tidy the closet up. Skirt. Top. Underwear. Socks. Socks. Pants. Underwear. Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. The mirror is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean with alcohol. How pretty the jewelries are. Let's put them away in the box. Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. I'm Whiskers. The courtyard is a mess. Let's clean it up together. Please trim the big tree into a nice shape. Be sure to water the big tree. Wow, it blossoms! Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. Ah, the lawn is a mess. Dispose the waste in the waste bin. So many weeds. Let's mow the lawn. Be sure to get rid of all weeds. Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. The rabbit hutch is so dirty. Let's clean it up. It stinks. Let's use an exhaust fan for ventilation. Fresh air is needed to stay healthy. Throw away the dirty mat. Be sure to wipe the footprints clean. Let's choose a new pretty mat for the rabbit. The rabbit is hungry. Please feed it something delicious. Little animals are our good friends. We should take care of them.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
Mew Mew, you are eating junk food again. Right over there. Right.
Can't catch me!
Right over there. Stop right there.
Can't catch me!
I tracked down the monster. Stop right.
Can't catch me!
I must find the key to rescue Mew Mew.
If you want to save Mew Mew, you must catch me first. Take this!
When an earthquake strikes, the ground starts shaking in many different ways. The houses that are not sturdy enough may collapse, causing great losses. I am Architect Kiki. Do you know how to build houses at different locations? This is a seismic hazard map. The colors and numbers marked on the map indicates different levels of earthquake resistance required in house building. Wherever it is, houses should be sturdy. Can you place the buildings at the matching zones of seismic fortification intensity? Level 9 Fortification Zone. Level 8 Fortification Zone. Level 7 Fortification Zone. Level 6 Fortification Zone. Now let's build the sturdy houses to stay safe even when earthquake strikes. School building. The government has increased the seismic fortification criteria. Now we need to strengthen the school building's earthquake-resistant capability. Let's set up the temporary fencing for the construction site first. Safety is the priority in the construction site. Place the safety signs here. Turn the knob to move the aerial work platform up. The steel frame is a bit rusty. Polish it with sandpaper. Spray paint the steel frame so that it won't rust so easily. When an earthquake strikes, the damper on the energy dissipation device can deform to dissipate or absorb the seismic energy, thus efficiently prevent the collapsing of the building. The school building is reinforced. Great! Buildings with seismic strengthening and buildings without seismic strengthening will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Select a little monster to dress up. The little monster want to make a pretty hairstyle. The little monster wants to use this. You can get started. It's gorgeous. The little monster wants to try this. Wow! The little monster likes it! It's so pretty! Everyone wants to take pictures of the little monster. Tap here and let the little monster go over to have pictures taken. Here comes a smile. Get the best shots by taking pictures with smiling faces. A picture and see how many stars you pictures with smiling faces are more popular. 3 stars. Tap. Congratulations! You have got a new concert. Xylophone. Xylophone. Please help me fill the... I have enough presents. Thank you. I'm off. Accordion. Thank you for your help. Guitar. Can you help me? I have the most beautiful drawing board in the world. Thank you. Listen carefully. What made the sound? Guess what sound that is? Wow, that's right. Guitar. Shh. The next sound is coming up. Guess. Wow, that's right. Xylophone. Check out this sound. Guess what? You are awesome. Accordion.